Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to get a different color palette in Paint.net or plenty of different softwares. Keep in mind, if you're using Paint.net at least, you can change back to the default if you are not used to this. First, you want to make sure that you have the newest version of Paint.net, or at least your version has to contain the Manage Color Palettes menu. If it doesn't, you want to go to Settings. You can use Alt-X to head here. Make sure that you go to Updates, and then you want to press Check Now. I already have the latest version of Paint.net, so I don't want to check for updates. But if there's an update that's awaiting installation, install it, and you should have access to the color palette menu. Now you want to head to our server or type in https://glospec.com, that's lospec.com/palette list. If we go here, you will see that it has a huge list of color palettes. But if you find a color palette that you find nice, let's say Journey, this color here, you want to head over to Download Palette File. You can get a PNG image. You can get a PAL file. I have no clue what that is, I'm sorry. You can get a Photoshop file, a Paint.net TXT, a GIMP GPL, or a hex file. Now, if you're using Paint.net, I think it's obvious that you should get the Paint.net TXT. So now download the Paint.net TXT and go to Show in Folder. You want to head to Paint.net and you want to click here on the Manage Color Palettes and you want to go to the Open Palettes folder. Now you will see I have my two text documents, and if we go here you can see that I have Endesga 32 and Low Spec 500, which are the names of my text documents over here. So drag this or copy. You can hold shift to move or you can copy it here. So you want to drag this to the folder and you want to copy it or move it, whatever you chose. Now you can close out of these two and you can click here and you will see that I now have Journey. If I show you, these colors are indeed the same as these. So now I have this new color palette which I can use. As you can see, you can make some like cool gradients sometimes, maybe if I open up my layers menu. And I'm actually gonna hide our logo. If I change this to this blue and change that to a different blue, you can see we have a pretty cool looking gradient. I really hope this tutorial helped. If you have any questions, we have some channels in our server for questions specifically. Thanks for watching. Take care.